We're at Llanberis, at the foot of Britain's only rack or cogwheel railway. As with most such railways, the locomotive pushes the coach or coaches to which it is not coupled. Track gauge is 80 centimetres and the rack system is that of Roman abt, with two parallel toothed bars fixed in the centre of the track. The teeth of one bar are opposite the spaces of the other, so there's always a tooth engaged of the loco's drive pinion. This line has had 8 steam locos, of which 5 are still in use. In recent years, 4 diesel locos have been added. Average gradient is 1 in 7.86, that's 12.7%. Steepest is 1 in 5.5, or 18.2%, which occurs in several places. When the line opened in 1896, the loco of the first descending train lost its engagement with the rack, ran out of control, derailed and fell down the mountain. As a result, gripper rails were added both sides of the rack rails, beneath which travel gripper fingers from loco and coach. This high, the wind can sometimes be so strong that it's unsafe for trains to go above Clogwyn. But today's problem is only low cloud, so we proceed, but without distant views. We arrive at Summit Station, only 60 feet below the highest point on the mountain. Our train has climbed 3,140 feet. Denied distant views will return down. Braking on the descent is by compressing the steam in the locomotive cylinders. When the passengers have all disembarked, the train leaves for the coaling stage and water column.